guys, today we're going to Tagaytay, but we have a trash guest, Lola. Yeah.
And we're in the gas station right now. We're filling some gas.
We're filling some gas.
Yeah. So,
Wala na kayo exam?
to avoid getting burned.
Wala kang pasok?
Yeah.
Monday?
Meron.
Wala nang tapos na yung test nyo.
Yeah.
Nakapenta naman. Doon lang sa Asia kasi
Look at that stupid.
ano?
I didn't.
Papaload lang ano.
Yeah, we haven't uploaded the guys.
Oh, tell me what you want.
Why, brother? We didn't upload. Why?
We got bored.
Mix and match?
Yeah.
For some reason.
But guys, it doesn't mean that we're bored.
Gusto nyo mix and match?
I don't know. Probably.
We're kind of busy kasi.
Mix and match? Tsaka rice.
We're gonna order some Jollibee for fun.
May mix and match naman.
And guys, we're gonna go swimming pala.
Ayun, sarap pumunta sa school.
Yeah, guys.
We're here at Asia Pacific for some
Yeah, and
reason.
that's our school.
No? Ate, may school zone na yun.
Tapos dyan dati, naglilimos na.
Ay, grabe daddy. Ito yung dati na.
They,
It's abandoned. Therefore, mosquito.
and yeah, guys,
Ano, may mix and match?
we're gonna show Memi's face.
Ano?
Ano order nyo?
Mix and match. Mix and match.
Ano, mix and match?
Ikaw na lang.
Ano nga?
Yeah.
Take out.
Apat na order.
Ikaw na para mabilis, ikaw na sa mix and match.
Kami sasama na lang.
Oh, may kasama.
Okay, but hold the cat.
Okay.
Okay.
Ito na kami ni
Oh. Sino ba sasama sa inyo? Deja or Deisha? Deisha.
Ah!
Tama ka pa? Ito ka na lang.
Grabe yung bird mo.
Deisha fit.
Ikaw, huwag ka na sumama. Lisa. Huwag ka na sumama.
Bye-bye.
Go, Lisa.
Tama ka na.
Tama ka na. Hindi, huwag ka na sumama. Lisa. No! Ikaw na! Ako na nga.
That room is really bad.
60 yung Gatorade. Yung maliit.
We're here at Counselor. Prices here are so high. Let's look at that. 360 Ritz. Pita cost bad. It's not bad. Daddy, we got to for it now. Looking good.
Ba't mo Mami?
It's a mess.
Kano lahat?
Look at that stupid
May
gun.
sakay ba? Mix and match. Only a chance.
Daddy. Stupid. Alright guys, I'm going for the acoustic right now. One more day. Some balloons here. Still waiting for our order. Really long. Hey yo, pause. Oh my days, it's been like 50 hours, man.
God.
Finally got our order, man. Guys, look at that, man. Got some fries. The doggy. This is still dry.
Ito mo dito.
Huh? Yeah.
Ano ba?
Nice. We're gonna buy two. I'm a big chocolate deal. Oh gosh. We're here now.
dali lang.
Phone case. Yung phone case, Lisa. Binigay ko sa'yo. Hindi, dati na sa yung phone case.
Ang sa akin.
Ay, nasa.
Ayoko kasi nakakahiya.
Ito naman.
Ayoko.
Ano yan? Coffee. Nagpuputi ka na.
Ako yung Jollibee. Lisa pa, lagay nga. Ow! Ano yun? Pati yung sakit yun.
Ang sakit talaga. Masasaktan talaga yung tatay. Harang kayo eh.
Uy, yung Jollibee.
Nagdali ko kayo. Harang kayo ng harang eh. Hindi kasi laging ano eh. Laging hindi tama yung mga ano eh. Kulang-kulang.
So guys, here we
I
go.
don't need
want
a burger,
Oh,
man. I don't need a burger.
So, yeah.
Hamburger.
My God,
Tastes so good,
guys.
Hamburger.
First. Not a lot of salt though. It's just
It's good and hot. Wait, I'll get some fries, guys.
Taas pala nitong
Inumin niya muna yung taho, baka hindi kumapon. Hindi siya.
Just enjoying our food, guys.
nakatingin ka ng ganyan. Ano ba ginawa ko sa'yo?
Bigat mo ako.
Ketchup? Ketchup? Yes.
Huwag na mag...
Oh yeah, sorry.
For some reason, Oldest wants to dip his fries onto the hot. Man, what is that?
Hindi sinama si nanay.
Not bad. Not bad. Guys, it's actually really good.
Oldest with a gym.
Magtatapon yan ha.
And guys, better do it again,
Yeah, ako.
Dip it, then eat it.
Aandar na ako ha.
Good,
Hindi
good,
siya,
good.
baka matapon niya, malagkit yan.
Not too bad.
Nabang ba ito?
Sweet potato. Good yan. Go and exit Jollibee.
I finished my taho. Let's go.
Ito lang school ng district. Isa pa. Yeah.
That nigga. Sister?
Oo.
Sister? Messing up the salt? Oh, guys. Oldest has
Mayaran na alat.
a dark blue yoga band. Why? Yoga? Oldest? Sorry. Gym pants for me, guys.
Yung ate nung
While
lupa.
sister has
Ate
yoga.
ng ano?
Yung
For
lupa.
some reason. Because of God.
Hindi nga, may hati nga yun. Ano ba?
Ano nga ate? Wala namang hati yan. Isang
Oo.
buo yan.
Isang buo nga, pero hinati yun. Napag-usapan na namin ng papa mo yun. Harapan tata.
Yan pala kasi kung saan ka nakatayo.
Eh di, gawa ng papel, gawa ng ano. Sabi ko sa'yo, maggawa ka ng ano eh. Di ko naman alam ang pag-ano noon eh. Gumawa ka ng papel. Ano mo sa papel. Magpirmahan kayo sa harapan ko. Panaparyuhan natin. Isip na kung ano-ano.
Hey, heard it.
Sa bata.
Grabe, uminom ako. What? Dami. Dami.
Yeah. Lagyan din siya.
Papoy. Ay, papoy pa pala.
Sister Sean was up. I'm gonna do it early. God damn. Daddy? Hey yo.
Daddy.
No.
Yeah.
God. Wait lang, guys. Ako tagay.
Ayaw mo pa rin.
Wala.
Ayaw mo.
Guys, ayaw for pause.
Disha, may laman pa yan. Disha, may laman pa yan.
Yeah.
Ubus na baka
Guys.
tumapon. No?
Bibili tayo po cards yun. Ay, hindi ko na para Salt and Pepper. Di ba uuwi pa naman? Food to share? Saan? Pay na lang. Kailan ba yan?
Lunch yun.
No, Dave.
7-seater yun.
Kiki camera. Brother? Daddy? Brother?
Ba't lang siya, Frank?
Hey, yo. Hard.
Wilbert, you leave. Moan. Brother, I know. Yo.
Alright, guys. I'm gonna pause it.
Yeah.
Actually, ang ganda dyan, mami. Nature road yan.
Yeah. Tapos guys. There. Jollibee. French chicken sandwich. Brother's hard.
Oh, hindi siya ka. I'm hard.
He's hard.
To be honest, I'm hard.
And I'm also hard, guys. Nagagang hard na talaga daw siya. Ang sa Christmas lang pala yun.
And near.
Diba?
And near.
Yeah. For hire. Naga. Ay, di siya.
Months.
We haven't uploaded for like 4 months.
Creepy.
Because of that.
breaking the camera. Yeah. And we've been busy, guys, for like almost every school day and every work day, guys. That's why we weren't able to upload. And also Joyce Rivera. Yeah, Joyce Rivera. Shout out. Joyce Rivera. Kulangan time. Bakit? Bakit tong tao, guys? Ooh, the deep. Jollibee, guys.
Subo.
Jollibee.
Mukha mo.
So guys, let me show you something. Napakita mo ba? Napakita. Yeah, look at that.
It's actually so weird.
Guys, ang dami siya. Wait,
Pumasok ka
where's
dyan
Marcos?
sa liklik niya.
Meron. Third moments. Hindi ko lang
Ito pala.
Lola. Pakul.
Ayalalan pala.
Ini udah pakul. Para kay space. Sakto po natin.
Wala.